हाँ, ये लेबोरेटरी टेस्ट के लिए रखे हो? मतलब इसके ऊपर जितना पड़ेगा फिर लेके जाओगे? हाँ, अभी उठा रहे हो?
क्यों रखा ये, क्या किया? ऐसे क्या किया, ऐसे क्यों रखा? उसमें सब चिपक गया था।
These guys are doing MC1 spray, MC1 spray. They usually conduct it after doing asphalt, vitamin base course. This plate they put it in order to check how much spray this truck sprinkle over it. After that it will be tested in the battery, its weight will be tested as per the area. How are you, Engineer Faris?
I'm fine. How are you?
You're good. What's going on, Engineer?
Engineer. This MC1 for before asphalt.
Ah, MC1 before asphalt.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Very
After
great.
this course, before asphalt.
Yes, after base course, before asphalt.
Yes.
Nice, very nice work. So you are here to supervise, huh? This is great. Yeah.